Good morning, children. Class 5th. Today we are starting with a new chapter in EVS. The name of the chapter is From Tasting to Digesting. Different taste. Let's start with the story here. Jampa ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother saying, "Ma, I'm not going to eat this bitter Karela." Jampa is the name of a girl. Okay, she ran into the kitchen and hold her mother and saying, "I'm not going to eat this bitter Karela. Give me gur and roti." She wants to eat gur along with roti. So her mother smiled and said, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." Julan teased Jampa. Julan is Jampa's mother. So her mother teased Jampa. "Don't you get bored of only one kind of taste?" Her mother said or saying to her daughter that you don't get bored of eating one kind of food, that is gur and roti, gur and sugar all the time. So her daughter replied quickly, "Do you get bored with licking imli? I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli." Her mother liked imli, so she is licking imli all the time. Her daughter said to her mother that, "I bet with you that your mouth is watering by hearing the word imli." "Sure, I love the sour imli." Then her mother replied that, "Yes, sure, I love the taste of imli, but I also eat sweet and salty things too. I even eat Karela," said Julan, and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartily. They are both talking to each other and laughing. Now, Julan said to Jampa. Julan is mother. Mother said to her daughter, "Let's play a game." You can see in the picture they are playing one game with each other. What game they are playing? Just have a look here. You close your eyes and open your mouth. Close your eyes and open your mouth. I will put something to eat in your mouth. You have to tell the name. What is that? Julian take a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in Jampa's mouth. "Sour lemon," Jampa replied quickly. When her mother put few drops of lemon in her mouth, she replied quickly that it is lemon or it is the juice of lemon. Then Julian picked up a small piece of jaggery. Then her mother picked up a small piece of jaggery, that is gur. Her mother suggested, "Crush it, otherwise she will know what is it." Julian crushed the jaggery, but Jampa easily guessed it. Okay, her mother crushed the jaggery and her daughter easily guessed the taste of jaggery. They played the game with different kinds of food. Jampa could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. Julian said, "Now close your nose and tell me what this is." Okay. Jampa was confused. "It is a bit bitter, a little salty and somewhat sour." "Give me one more spoonful." Julian took another spoonful of the cooked Karela, uncovered Jampa's eyes and said, "Here it is, eat." Her mother is giving the food. What food she is giving to her daughter? Is it Karela? And Jampa liked the taste and asking more and more to give. Okay, then Jampa laughed, "Yes, give me more." Now come to the question answer part. Discuss and write. The same question answer I have written in my sheet here. So first question, Julian's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. Answer. My mouth starts waters on seeing any one of my favorite foods. 5 things which I like to eat are, here you have to write the name of food and the taste here. I have written as an example here. Example, I like samosas and the taste of samosa is spicy. In the same way, you need to write 5 names of food which are liked by you people, and you have to write the taste also. Got it? You have to write the names of the food, 5 food and 5 taste here. Okay? Now come to the next question. Do you like one kind of taste or different ones? Why? I like different kinds of taste because if we will keep eating the foods with similar taste, we will get bored from that taste. Okay? Now, the third question is, Julian's put a few drops of lemon juice in Jampa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Yes, a few drops of lemon juice are enough to make out its taste. Only 1 to 2 drops is enough to come up that it is the taste of lemon juice. Now come to the fourth one. This one also I have written here. If someone were to put a few seeds of song on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed how? No, I would not be able to tell that the seeds on my tongue are of song until I start chewing it. If someone has keep, 4 or 5 seeds of the song on my mouth, I am not able to guess the taste until I chew it. I will be able to recognize the seeds only after testing them. Now, the next one, how did Jampa make out the fried fish? Can you guess the name of certain things only by their smell without seeing or tasting them? What are these things? Jampa made out the fried fish by its smell. There are many food items which we can easily make out by their smell only. These are orange, omelette, onion, coffee, halwa, samosa, etc. Without testing through the smelling, we can easily know which food item is it. Then the next one, the same one. We will discuss here only. The last question. Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do you think they tell you to do this? Nose is used to smell the things that give us an idea of the taste of a food. Now, holding our nose can help us to avoid the bad smell of medicine and take it with a little less discomfort. If you not hold your nose, then you will be able to smell the bad smell of medicine. Now just have a look on activity part here. Here one activity is given that close your eyes and tell. Collect a few food items having different kinds of taste. Play a game with your friends like Jampa and Julian did. Tell your friend to taste the food and ask, how did it taste? What was the food item? On which part of the tongue could you get the most taste, in front, at back, on the left or right side of the tongue? Which taste could be made out on which part of the tongue? Mark these parts on the picture given. Here you can just draw a diagram of the tongue and can mark it here, wherever you could taste. Okay, so you have to mark the same on a picture here. Just draw a diagram of tongue. Then one at a time, put some things to eat in other parts of your mouth under the tongue. On the lips, on the roof of the mouth, did you get any taste there? Okay, this is an activity part. So I have given all these questions as homework. As you know, all are studying online classes. Okay, so you have to do the same activity with your brother or sister at your home. Here friends is written. You're not having friends right now, so you can do the same activity with your brother or sister and write the answers. I have written all the questions here. Okay, from here till here. Then use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue. You can see this is your front part. Okay, wipe. We need to wipe the front part so that it is dry. After that, put some sugar or jaggery there. You need to keep sugar or jaggery in front part of your tongue. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? Answer is no, I could not taste anything. This is because we get the taste of anything only when the food. It means the food mixes up with saliva on the tongue and reaches the taste buds present on the tongue. If your tongue gets drier, we are not able to get or we could not taste anything until and unless the food mixes up with saliva on the tongue. Got it? After that, one more question given. Stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your tongue. How does the surface look? Can you see any tiny bumps on the surface? The answer is here. The surface of our tongue. The surface of our tongue looks like a little rough. Yes, I can see tiny bumps on the surface of my tongue. You can also see your tongue in mirror. Okay? You find the same answer I have written here. Got it? Then again some more questions. Tell. If someone asks you to describe the taste of amla or cucumber, you might find it difficult to explain. How would you describe the taste of these? Tomato, onion, saum, garlic. Think of words that you know or make up your own words to describe the taste. Answer I have written here. This is the answer. Okay. Taste of given food items can be described as follows. Here the name of the food item and the taste of the food here I have written. Tomato is like sweet, sour and juicy. Onion is pungent or sharp flavor. You can write pungent flavor, or if you don't remember the word, you can write sharp also. Then saum is sweet and garlic is bitter and pungent. Got it? The next question here. Jampa tasted some of the things. She said, shh. What do you think she may have eaten? Answer is, Jampa might have eaten chilies or something too hot and spicy. That's why she said, shh. Okay? Now the next question is, why don't you make sounds that describe some taste? From your expressions and sounds, ask your friend to guess what you might have eaten. Okay, again for this question I have written answer here. We can make following expressions and sounds for different taste. Expressions and sounds and food items. I have written two. that is slurping. Slurping is soup and coffee. Okay, yum. What is yum? Ice cream, chocolates and any kind of sweets like jalebi. Okay, I have written two here and the third one you have to write on your own. This is the homework part. You have to write the expression here and the name of the food items here. Okay, this is the homework part I have written as homework here. Got it? Then proceed further. Chew it or chew it well. What is the difference? Try this together in class. Each of you take a piece of bread or roti or some cooked rice. This is an activity part you have to do at your home. Then after that, put it in your mouth, chew 3 to 4 times and swallow it. Did the taste change as you chewed it? You have to write this at your home. Okay, after doing this activity, what is your answer? You have to write the same in your notebook. Then, now take another piece or some rice and chew it 20 to 25 times. Was there any change in the taste after chewing so many times? Again, this question is a homework part of yours. I have written not written the same question in my sheet. You have to write from here only. This question and this question. Okay, you have to write in your notebook. You have to write the activity starting from here. Okay, step 1, step 2, then question. Step 3 and then again question. You have to write like this. Got it? Again the question answer part comes. Discuss. Has anyone at home told you to eat slowly and to chew well so that the food digests properly? Why do you think they say this? Answer I have written in my sheet here. Yes, my mother often advises or used to tell me to eat slowly and to chew well. I think proper chewing helps to moisten the food. Moisten means soften the food, which enable its easy swallowing and also starts its partial digestion in mouth itself. Okay, that's why your mother, your teacher, your grandparents always ask you to eat slowly and chew the food properly because of this reason. Okay, the next question. Imagine you are eating something hard like a green guava. What kinds of changes take place in it from the time you bite a piece and put it in your mouth to when you swallow it? Think, what does the saliva in your mouth do? Okay, this question asking about the food, hard food, that is green guava. You need to write the changes starting from the initial step, from the first till the last step of swallowing the food. Just have a look on the answer sheet here. When I start chewing the hard guava, it tastes somewhat bitter in starting. When I chew it more, it starts breaking into smaller pieces and becomes soft and sweet. In the initial stage, means in first step, it tastes bitter. Okay, when I again start breaking into smaller pieces and it becomes soft and sweet. Saliva in our mouth makes food soft and easy to swallow, and it also helps in the initial digestion of food in mouth. Okay, one question I have given you as a homework you have to do in your notebook. So I am reading the question from here, straight from the heart. Where do you think the food must be going after you put in your mouth and swallow it? In the picture given here, which picture? This picture. This picture, okay? Picture of a girl. Draw the path of the food through your body. You need to draw a picture of human digestive system. in your notebook. Okay, and you have to write the answer of this question also, this one. Do all of you have similar pictures? No. We all of you does not have a similar pictures. Okay, and the picture of the human digestive system is this. You have to draw the same picture in your notebook, EVS notebook. Got it? Okay, so I have written the question here. Question here also I have written, and in answer I have written a diagram of human digestive system. Okay, thank you.